Friday. And on Fridays, we make science. Okay, and today for our science class, we are going to make an observation about spring. Do you know what is spring?
Hello.
What's the spring? What's the spring? Spring is a season of the year. And what happens in spring? On spring, we're going to start looking and seeing how many plants, flowers, insects, and animals are growing. So today, scientists, I need you to open your ears. Scientists, open your ears. Open your eyes, big eyes. Okay, we're going to listen and we're going to watch. Okay, we're going to learn today about this new season of the year. This season of the year is the spring. What is it?
Spring.
Very good. So here we go. Open your ears, big. Open your eyes, big. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hello, little flower. It's very nice to meet you. Have you been hiding in the snow all winter long? Hello, little tree branch. I see your leaves are growing so very green and beautiful, for winter's gone. Springtime, springtime. See the sunshine in the sky. Springtime, springtime. Wake up, world, say hi. Wake up, world, say hi. Hello, little bear cub. It's very nice to meet you. Have you been sleeping in your cave all winter long? Hello, little tortoise. I see you slowly walking and breathing in the nice warm air, for winter's gone. Springtime, springtime. See the sunshine in the sky. Springtime, springtime. Wake up, world, say hi. Wake up, world, say hi. Hello, little rain cloud. You look a little lonely. Your friends have gone for springtime and you're on your own. Oh, but please don't worry. We still need lots of water. For when it rains, it helps the things on earth to grow. Springtime, springtime. See the sunshine in the sky. Springtime, springtime. Wake up, world, say hi. Wake up, world, say hi. Springtime, springtime. Wake up, world, say hi.
So now it's time for spring. It's time for the most beautiful season of the year, the spring. Yesterday here, it was raining. It was raining a lot. And also we had a beautiful sunny day. It was a beautiful sunny day. And what happens if we have the sunlight and if we have the rain? What do you think? What do you think that is going to happen if I have the sunlight? Here I have the beautiful sunlight. This is the sun. And the sun is giving me sunlight. And also, I have these big clouds. Okay, I have these big clouds. What do you think that is going to happen here on the land when it rains? It is raining. And also we have a beautiful sunlight. What do you think that is going to happen?
Rainbow.
A rainbow. Very good, Jime. And what else is going to happen in the land? What is going to happen here?
Teacher.
What do you think that is going to happen here on the land? What is going to happen in the soil?
Grows the plants.
The plants are going to start growing. Here I am going to draw you some grass. A beautiful flower. We're going to have beautiful flowers. We're going to have beautiful, beautiful, big, big, big trees. Here I have a beautiful tree. And also we're going to start looking at new animals. Okay, during this time of the year, we're going to start looking at, what do you think that is this? What I am drawing? What is it? We're going to start looking at
Bee.
bees. Very good, it's a bee. Also, we're going to start looking to, what is this?
Butterflies.
A butterfly. We're going to start looking at butterflies, bees. And this one, what is this? This one is color red. It's a circle. And it has brown dots.
Catalina. A
Ladybug.
ladybug.
Very good, Angel and Milo. It's a ladybug. Also, do you know that the animals, during the winter, they went to sleep? Animals, during the season of the winter, they went to sleep. So now that they are starting to wake up. Okay, now we're going to see some rabbits. Like in the video, there was a rabbit.
Rabbit.
A rabbit. Also, we're going to start seeing some squirrels. I don't know how to draw a squirrel, but is this one. This is a squirrel. And also, in some places, there are bears. No birds. Birds. It's a bird. No birds. Bear.
Barrel.
And we're going to start seeing, what do you think that it's going to be on the trees?
Teacher.
Yes, Julieta. What, Julieta?
¿Qué animal es el que está al lado del tree?
Oh, this is a rabbit. It's a kind of a rabbit.
Tree.
And this one that is on the tree?
It's a bird.
It's a bird.
Bird.
Very good. Excellent, scientists. So now, scientists, that we have made this observation of the spring, I want you to think, I need you to think.
Beaches. Books.
Bugs, very good. And also spiders with the rain, we're going to start to see. Yes, very good, Milo.
Lots and lots of books.
Yes. Also, guys, during the spring, I want you to think, why are the plants, the trees, the grass, the leaves, the flowers, why are they important for the animals?
Teacher.
And why are they important for us?
Teacher.
What is the main importance of the plant? Yes, David.
I am bathroom.
You want to go to the bathroom?
Yes.
Again, may I?
May I am bathroom?
Yes, David, you may go to the bathroom. Close the microphone.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Now, I need you to think, why is it important for us and for the animals and insects, the existence of the plants? Why do we need plants? ¿Por qué necesitamos plantas? Why do we need plants?
Para tener vida y salud. Que nos dan no. Porque tantas nos dan oxígeno.
Perfect. Very good, scientists. You're real scientists, guys. Exactly, like Vladimir says, the plants, here I am going to draw you a plant. Plants give us life. They give us life. Nos dan vida. They give us life. Health, salud, health.
¿Qué es esto?
And like Aura says,
Y
they also give us water.
oxígeno.
They give us water. Very good, Vladimir. And oxygen.
Air.
The air. Yes, very good, Julieta. With the water and the oxygen, we have the air that we breathe every day. Can you live without air? Do you think that we can live without air? No.
Impossible.
It's impossible. Very good, Julieta. It's impossible. Now close your nose. Can you breathe?
Pero estoy vivo.
But if I stay a long time without breathing, what is going to happen with me? I am going to die. So we have to be very careful with the plants. We have to take care of the planet, of every single plant. Okay, now scientists, we're going to start with the first step of the scientific method. We're going to make an observation of my plant. Do you all have your plants? Do you have your plants? On a pot or in a glass? Okay, we're all going to do an observation of our plants. Okay, we are going to observe the first thing that you can see, the flower. Your plant has a flower? Can you see the flower? Okay, my plant has a beautiful pink flower. See? And it has yellow dots.
Ya lo vi. No lo puedes ver porque...
Okay, you see here I have my beautiful flower. Now we're going to observe the leaves. Leaves. These are the flower leaves. These are the leaves of my plants. Leaves. Okay, we're going to observe the leaves. Okay, observe the leaves. What color are they? Brown? Yellow? Purple? Blue? What color are they? Green. Very good. They are green because they give us life. Green is the color for the life. Now we're going to observe the stem. This is the stem. This is another part of my plant. What happened here? What do you think that my plant needs this part? This is the body of my plant. This is the body. Like me? What is your body? I have arms. Like the plant, instead of arms, it has leaves. And instead of a body like me, this is my body with my legs and with my arms. The plant has a stem. This is the body of my plant. And what do you think that it has below the earth? What is in the soil? ¿Qué hay en la tierra? What do you think that it's inside of the soil? Here I have the roots. Roots. Okay, careful with your plant. Remember that we have to be very, very careful with our plants. We have to take care of the plants. Okay, here. Okay, let's see if you can see. Here are my plant's roots. With these roots, my plants can eat and drink water from the earth, and they can make a process that is called photosynthesis. How is it called? Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process of my plant eating. My plants needs to eat soil and also needs to drink water. So now, scientists, I am going to show you my monster of the science who is going to talk us about photosynthesis. So open your ears again, scientists. Open your ears. Open your eyes. Okay, here we go. We're going to learn today about photosynthesis. Ready? Here we go.
Hey there! It's a lovely sunny day today. So I came down for a sun bath. Don't look at me like that. Didn't your teachers tell you that sunlight is a good source of vitamin D? Hey! Don't forget that we trees and plants make our food from sunlight. Yes, you're right, Mr. Tree. Isn't the process called photosynthesis? Yeah. Come friends, let's learn about photosynthesis today. Zoom in. Photosynthesis. Doesn't that sound like a big word? Well, don't be bogged down by it. I'll tell you what it means. Photo is a Greek word for light, and synthesis is a Greek word for putting together. Now, it's simple. Photosynthesis is using light to put things together. Plants use this process to make their food with the help of sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Did you know that plants breathe just like us? You didn't? Well, now you do. Plants have tiny openings called the stomata present in their leaves, through which they take in carbon dioxide. Yes, they breathe in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. They also use water and other nutrients to make food which is absorbed by their roots. The leaves contain tiny pigments called the chloroplasts. These pigments take in carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight and turn them into sugar and oxygen. The sugar is then used by the plants as their food, and the oxygen is given out into the atmosphere. This process as a whole is called photosynthesis. Am I right, Mr. Tree? Yes, you are. Trivia time! Chlorophyll is a green pigment that is found in the chloroplast of the plant. It makes the plant look green. Plants are often known as lungs of the world as they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, which the humans breathe. It's time for some more sun bath. So this is me zooming out. Tune in next time for some more fun facts.
Okay, now scientists, we have learned more about the plants and the photosynthesis. Okay, now we're going to see what happens. Do you have your soil? Here I have soil. Do you have your soil? Okay, here I have my soil. What color is the soil? What color is it?
Brown.
Brown.
Negro. El mío es
black.
negro.
Very good, Milo. And Milo has some sunflowers or gerberas. What do you have in there, Milo? Perfect. They are so beautiful. Beautiful flowers.
El veras.
Okay, so now with the soil, we're going to make an observation of the soil. Ready? We're going to observe the color. Observe the color. Brown, black. We have brown, we have black. Now look at your fingers. Now they are dirty. They are dirty for the soil. Now we're going to smell the soil. Smell it. How does it smell like? Do you like it? Do you like the smell of the soil? Smell it. No, you don't like it? I love the smell of the soil. It is fresh. It smells like fresh, like nature. Huele fresco. No? You don't feel it? Is it hot? Is it cold? Like if I am in the woods. I can imagine myself in the woods. Imaginen que están en un bosque. Smell the soil and imagine that you're in the woods. Nature, fresh air, plants, trees, flowers, animals, water, life. There are many, many things that I can sense with the soil. Perfect. Now, we have already made an observation of this element many, many times. Here I have my water. What color is your water? transparent. Does it have a smell? It's fresh, transparent, and without a smell. Perfect. So now carefully, you're going to add only a sip of water into the soil. Poquitita, okay? Only a sip. A tiny, 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 tiny. Okay? Tiny, 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 tiny. Just a small, small, small drop of water. And now smell it again. The smell change? Did it change? Yes. Now it smells like what? Like rain. Now it smells like rain. Perfect, very good. So now, scientists, this practice is going to be long. Why? Because today we're going to plant a plant. Okay, we're going to plant our own plant. And in 3 weeks, we're going to see what happens with my plant. Okay, so we're going to be doing an observation for several weeks to see how does my plant grows. Okay, what happens with my plant? But first, I am going to ask you, how does the plant grows? ¿De dónde nace la planta? Where does it grows? Where did your gerbera grow, Milo? Where did they grow from?
In the field. And the seeds.
From the seeds, very good. Yes, my plant is going to grow.
Semilla.
Very good, Alondra. Seeds, in English, seeds. So we're going to use seeds today. We're going to make an observation of my seeds. Look. Here I am making the observation. They are small. Okay, here I have another type of seeds. Or you can use beans. También pueden utilizar frijoles, beans. Okay. If you're going to plant beans.
¿Unas semillas de aguacate como la mía?
Yes, Regis, we can use any seed. Because today we're going to plant our own plant. We're going to give life. Okay, today we're going to make life. Ready? So here on my soul, with my finger, you have your finger ready? One finger. Show me one finger. With my finger, I am going to make a hole in the soil. Make a hole. Vamos a hacer un hoyo, a hole. With my finger. We're going to make a hole. And in the hole, I am going to put the seeds, okay? I am going to put 5 Lenin seeds, okay?
Mira, ya puse 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're going to grow beans, you have to grow only 3 seeds, okay? It depends on the size of your pot. If you're using a glass, a big pot, or a small pot, okay? And now, with the same soil, I am going to cover my seeds. Cover your seeds. Cover them. They have to be protected by the soil. Like you with your sweater, this is the sweater of the seed. Okay, I am going to cover it with the soil. Now it is protect. And carefully, I am going to add some water. Not too much water. What is going to happen if I add so much water? What do you think that is going to happen if I add more water? What do you think that is going to happen if I overpass the water?
Algunas flores tienen pétalos un color de...
What do you think that is going to happen if I put more water? ¿Qué creen que le pase si le pongo agua de más?
Dile.
Se echa a perder.
Exactly. Very good, David.
Yeah.
It is going to drown. Se va a ahogar. It is going to drown. Okay, because of the excess of the water, it is going to drown and it is not going to grow. Okay, so now that we have soil, we have water. What else do we need? What else do we need? We're going to need
Fish. Sun.
sun. Very good, Aura. We're going to need the sun. It needs sunlight. So my pot or my glass, I am going to put it in a window. Okay, it can be in the bathroom, in the kitchen, in my bedroom, somewhere where it can receive enough sunlight. Okay, do you have a place where there is always the sunlight? Okay, so now we're going to go somewhere to find sunlight, okay? Here, where I am, I have a lot of sunlight. So my plant, it's going to stay here. Okay, I am going to put it there on the table. And now I am going to show you a plant. This one is from Miss Letty. She is planting sunflowers. Miss Letty is planting sunflowers. She's growing sunflowers. Look. You see the little plant? It is starting to grow. Okay, with water, with soil, and with sunlight, my plant is going to start growing. And then, with the pass of the time, we're going to start looking at the roots, the stem, the leaves, and the flowers. Okay? So your scientific method, it's going to be a long process, okay, for you to grow your plant. So you have to be very careful, okay? You have to take care of your plant, okay? So every day you have to check your plant and see if it has enough water, if it has enough sunlight, and if it has enough soil, okay? Because she needs to breathe, okay? Remember that the plants are also breathing. Okay, so now guys, do you have your scientific method with you? We're going to do it together, okay? So I am going to open my scientific method. If you have your notebook with you. Or if not, we can do it in a paper, okay? Okay, ready, scientists, with your scientific method? This one we're going to do it together, and then day by day, you're going to check on your flowers, okay? So let's see if you remember the scientific method. This is what we're going to be doing for the next 3 weeks, okay? You're going to be checking up on your flower.
Scientific method. First, you make an observation of the world around. Take notes and record all the things that you found. Then you ask a question, something that you want to learn. Then you form a hypothesis to explain what you observe. Then you make a prediction about how it's gonna go to a test. Control and a variable. Then you analyze the data and draw a conclusion to the scientific method to avoid all confusion. Make an observation, ask a question, form a hypothesis and make a prediction, do a test or experimentation, analyze data and draw a conclusion. Make an observation, form a hypothesis and make a prediction, or experimentation, analyze data and draw a conclusion. Scientific method. Scientific method. Scientific method. Scientific method. Scientific method. Scientific method. First, you make an observation of the world around. Take notes and record all the things that you found. Then you ask a simple question, something that you want to learn. Then you form a hypothesis to explain what you observe. Then you make a prediction about how it's gonna go to a test with a control and a variable. Then you analyze the data and draw a conclusion to the scientific method to avoid all confusion. Make an observation, ask a question, form a hypothesis and make a prediction, do a test or experimentation, analyze data and draw a conclusion. Make an observation, ask a question, form a hypothesis and make a prediction, do a test or experimentation, analyze data and draw a conclusion. Make an observation, ask a question, form a hypothesis and make a prediction, do a test or experimentation, analyze data and draw a conclusion. Make an observation, ask a question, form a hypothesis and make a prediction, do a test or experimentation, analyze data and draw a conclusion. Scientific method. 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 Scientific method.
You see, so now it's time, it's our turn, scientists, to make the observation, the hypothesis, and experimentation with the plant that we are growing. Very good, Alondra. Perfect. Okay, so now scientists, ready with your scientific method? Okay. Damian, what is the first step of the scientific method? What's the first step? The first step.
Observation.
Observation. Very good, Damian. So on the observation, let me just open mine. Okay, and first, scientists, we are going to write the date. Today is Friday, March. Today is Friday, March 19. Okay, so we're going to count the days until we see what is happening with my plant. Okay, here we go. I am going to write the date. Today is Friday. Friday, March 19. Friday, March 19. And the title, here the title is going to be My Plant. My plant. It is not your mommy's plant. It is not daddy's plant. No grandma's plant. It's my plant. Okay? So here we're going to write my plant. My plant. Okay, Jessie ma'am? Perfect. So now on the observation, what do we observe? We observe the photosynthesis. We observe the leaves. We observe the stem. We also observe the roots. And we observe the flower. We have made an observation of my flower, of the stem, the roots, the water, and the soil. Okay. And the question, how does a plant grows? ¿Cómo crece una planta? How does a plant grows? How does a plant grows? And the hypothesis, we have, look at the picture. It is a seed, soil, sunlight, water, and here we have a beautiful flower. So this is going to be our hypothesis. My seed plus soil plus sunlight plus water, it's going to be a plant. Okay, this is what we have already made, okay? We did it together. My seed. The soil. Sunlight. And the water. Do you think that you need water and sun to live? Vladimir, do you need sun and water to live?
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do. We do need sun and light and water to stay alive. Okay, when you're feeling sleep like Hime, what do you do to wake up? What do? You drink water. You drink water and you wake up. You take a bath and you wake up. Perfect. Very good, Leo. Very good, Constanza. Very good, Diago. And now for your scientific method, okay? The prediction, the experimentation, and the conclusion, you are going to do it with the observation of your plant, okay? Here in the prediction, you're going to draw how is your plant looking. ¿Cómo se ve tu planta? How does it look? Then on the experimentation, you're going to draw if it is growing or not growing. And the conclusion, okay, we're going to see what happened with my plant. If it grows or if it doesn't grow, okay? So you have to make a daily observation of your plant. Yes, Maximo? Yes, Fer? Yes, David? Yes, Raúl? Perfect. Yes, Regis? Okay. Yes, Vladimir? Yes, Alondra? Okay. You finish? Perfect. So now, scientists, it's time to clean up and to say goodbye. And I will see you on Monday, okay? You have to take care of your plants, okay? Let's see if by Monday we have a little leaf. Okay, let's see who takes care of the plant. Okay, so now it's time to clean up. And then we're going to say goodbye. Ready, scientists? And we have to say welcome to the spring.
Teacher, I want to the bathroom.
You can go to the bathroom. Go to the bathroom.
Miss, a ver,
Yes.
dile tú, Miss.
And
Could you
could you
repeat again
break again
the scientific method, please?
the teaching method, please?
Yes, David, I will show it again, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me just go faster for my charger, okay?
Thank you. Es que dice que no alcanzó a escribir y entonces ya se empezó a desesperar.
Yes,
Yeah.
don't worry, David. I will show it, okay?
Thank you, Miss Jen.
Time to clean up, everyone. Let's pick up our things. Clean up. Everybody clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up. Time to clean up. Pick up. Everybody pick up, pick up. Everybody pick up, pick up. Everybody pick up, time to pick up. Pick up the toys, put them away. Pick up the blocks, books. Put them away, put your things away. Pick up the toys, put them away. Pick up the blocks, put them away. Pick up the books, put them away. Put your things away.
Ready, scientist?
Sí.
A ver.
If you don't finish, David, don't worry. I can send it on the WhatsApp, okay?
Thank you.
Ya alcanza a escribir esa parte.
Que solo puso el día.
Solo alcanza a poner el día.
¿Qué dice aquí?
I will send it to you, David.
Solo alcanza a escribir.
Por eso, tú alcanzaste a escribir esto, pero ¿qué escribiste, mi amor?
Monday,
No. A ver.
Tuesday,
No, a ver, no adivines.
otoño.
No adivines. ¿Qué dice? A ver, léelo. ¿Qué dice? Y...
Okay, ready, guys? So now we're going to say goodbye, and I will see you on Monday. Okay, David, I will send, I am going to upload the scientific method on Classroom. Ready, guys? Here we go.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye.